Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I'll be showcasing the demo of one of the custom activities I have made. It will soon be published on UiPath Connect. So all of you can use. Please do provide your feedback once you use it. Okay. So before showcasing the demo, I'll quickly showcase how can you add the custom activity which you have made to the UiPath Studio so that you can see those activities in the activity panel. So it's very easy. You'll have to go to manage packages, then to settings, and you'll have to add the path where the nugget package of your custom activity is. So you'll have to name it, and then over here you'll have to add the path. So I have my custom activity placed here. So I'll just add the path in the source, and then I have to click on add. Then as you have clicked on add, you can see over here you have got this my activity. So this is the activity kill multiple process whose demo I'm going to showcase. So you'll have to save and then it will restore dependencies. Once it has restored the dependency, you can see that activity in the activity panel. So a quick brief about the activity. The kill multiple process activity kills all the processes which we have given it to the activity. So it's different from the inbuilt UiPath activity because this kills multiple activities by giving only just one parameter. So once you drag it, we'll have to pass an array of strings. It even kills multiple instances of a single application. So suppose I have to kill Explorer and I have to kill Notepad. So you can see over here, I have opened 2 instances of Notepad and 1 instances of iExplore. So I'll click on run and it will kill both the instances of the Notepad as well as the instances of the iExplorer. So by using this custom activity, by passing comma separated array of strings, with just using one activity, you can kill all the applications you want to kill in your use case. So if we talk about the use cases in which we can use it, so the best practice is that whenever you implement any use case or project, you kill all the applications which are being used in the process before the process actually starts running. So this activity can be used in any use case you can even think of. This will be the backbone to the use case. In every use case you develop, this activity will be used. So that's all for the part of the demo. I hope this helps. Please do provide your feedback in case you face any issues so that I can improvise the activity. Thank you.